Good morning, dear students. Today we will study about the lens formula and magnification. So here you have the lens formula, that is 1 upon f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u, and the formula of magnification, as we all know, that is m is equal to v by u is equal to h dash by h. So if focal length comes out be negative, it would be the concave lens. If focal length has a positive value, that would means it has convex lens. Now comes down to the v value. V value is always negative for concave lens. So if focal length comes out be negative, that is the focal length, and if value will be the negative, so it would be the concave lens, and focal length, that's value will be the positive, so it would be the convex lens. So it has convex lens. Now comes down to the v value. V value is always negative for a concave lens. V value is always negative for a concave lens, and v value is always positive for the real. So v value is always negative for a concave lens because concave lens always form virtual image of the same size of the object. Hence for the concave lens, v value is always be negative. Just remember that. Moving on to the next part, v value is positive. V value is positive. So v value is always be positive for the real image. Hence, and convex lens can have a negative as well as positive value for image distance, because convex lens can make both a real image as well as a virtual image. So this is the entire things which I get from the first formula, which is the lens formula, that is 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. There is one more thing which we get from this, that is nothing but the u, that is the u is equal to, what is the u? Firstly we should know u is the object distance. Object distance always be negative no matter which lens you are taking. Now move on to the part, the magnification. That is the magnification is equal to m is equal to v by u is equal to h dash by h. So when we talk about the magnification, m, if it is negative, it's going to be a real image. If m is positive, that is, if m is positive value, then it's a virtual image, virtual image. So focus on that. Now if m is negative here. So if m is negative real, if m is positive virtual. For a concave lens, magnification will be positive or negative. Let me know that. So yes, we always know concave lenses always form a virtual image. Your magnification value for a concave lens will always be positive. For the virtual. So your magnification value for a concave lens will always be positive. Now apart from that, if m is greater than 1, that means it's enlarged image. If m is less than 1, that means it's a diminished image. If m is equal to 1, that would be an image of the same size. Now concave lens image will fall under which category? As you know, that is less category, less than 1. The value of m for the concave lens will always be positive and will always be less than 1. So that is the mirror formula and magnification. So the small things you have to always remember in your mind. So this is the very basic things that you have to keep in your mind always. So this is the lens formula and the formula of magnification.